Hello everyone. So this is going to be a tutorial series about QBasic. I'm going to try to teach you the most basic commands on QBasic. And I want to teach you how to make some basic programs, basic apps, basic applications for you to have the knowledge to continue learning and expanding on it. Basic is a very old language, programming language, but it's a good starting point for those ones who want to learn how to program. This is very easy to find. This QBasic is easy to find, easy to get. You can run it on DOSBox because it's a very old program that used to run under MS-DOS. Or you can use QB64. QB64 is a new version for Windows, Linux, and you can export your programs for Windows 64 bits or for Linux. So it's a great option. I'm using QBasic running on DOSBox. Okay, so this is going to be the idea. I haven't scripted the lesson, so we're going to start doing things, and I will explain about the commands. Why I'm making this in English if I speak Spanish? Well, basically because I think I can get to more people in English, and at the same time I can practice and improve my English a little bit, and why not? So let's try. Okay, so the base command that we're going to see is the command print. So print, you have to write within quotation marks. So print, here goes the text you want to show. Okay, so if you want to print something in the screen, if you want to show something in the screen, we are going to use the command print. Okay, let me show you this. So now you can see here goes the text you want to show is at the bottom of the screen, and is showing the previous screen that was here before I run QBasic. So to clear the screen, to erase everything from the screen, we're going to use this command, CLS. CLS means clear screen. Now you can see that everything will be erased and our text will appear on top of the screen. So let's see. Okay, so you can see the text is at the beginning on top of the screen, and it says here goes the text you want to show. Okay, so something good to do at the beginning of your program always is to clear the screen, CLS. Then you can start printing any text you want to show. So print, here goes the text you want to show. Print, remember always between quotation marks. My name is Fernando. Let's print something else. Print, we are learning QBasic. Print, we are learning some basics of programming, or we can say we're learning the basic structures of programming. Okay, so let's see now. The text will be shown, these 1, 2, 3, 4 lines will be shown on top of the screen. The program will erase everything that was written before, and then will show us the text that we wrote between the quotation marks. Okay, so here goes the text you want to show. My name is Fernando. We are learning QBasic. We are learning the basic structures of programming, the basic commands. Okay, very good. So if you want to print If you want just to leave a space and you don't want to write anything, you just can write print, and the program will leave a space. For example, print, here goes the text you want to show, and I want to leave a space here, print. Okay, so you can see now we have a space, an empty space, then we have, here goes the text you want to show, another empty space, and the rest of the text. Okay, great. So if you want to add some notes in the program and they are not going part of the code, you're going to use the apostrophe. You can see here this apostrophe symbol. And with this symbol, you're saying that the next line is going to be just information, extra information. It's not part of the code, but it's a note or something that you want to write. Okay. In this case, I wrote CLS. It is used to clear the screen. Print. It is used to show text in the screen. And now I'm going to show you another command that is input. Input is used. It is used to ask the user for some information. For example, if you want to ask the user his name or her name, his age or her age, you're going to use the command input. Let me show you. So let's start again. I will erase everything here. So to start, CLS, clear screen. We're going to clear the screen first, and then we're going to write print, and let's say, hello, my name is Fernando. What is your name? What is your name? And here we're going to say input. We're going to show some text in the screen. For example, it's going to be write your name. Write your name. And here we're going to put a comma. It means that we are not going to show a question mark at the end of this text, because we have here the symbol. So we don't need a question mark, so we're going to use this comma. And here we're going to write name and the dollar symbol here. So let's see what we have here. Hello, my name is Fernando. What is your name? Write your name. Let's write, for example, Juan. Okay, well, it doesn't do anything. Just ask you. It says hello. First, the program is going to clear the screen. Then it says hello. Shows this in the screen with the print command. And then the program asks you to input your name. Okay, and the information will be stored in the variable called name, dollar sign, dollar symbol. Okay, so this is the name of a variable. What is a variable? A variable is like a small box where we put information, and this is the name of the box. This is the name of the variable in which we are going to store these pieces of information. If you have a variable with this symbol, the dollar symbol, it means that it's a variable for words, for characters, for symbols and names, okay? For what we call strings. So in this case, our variable will contain letters. It is a string variable that is called name, okay? So let's print something. We're going to leave a space with print, and we're going to write your name. So your name is, we're going to close this, and we're going to write name, and then we are going to write nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So this is like a conversation, right? Okay, we're not going to say now. We're going to save later. Let's see if it works. Hello, my name is Fernando. What is your name? Write your name. Let's write Juan. So your name is Juan. Nice to meet you. Okay, we need to leave a space here. So your name is. We need to leave a space there. So it looks better. Let's leave a space. So your name is space here. And name. Nice to meet you. Okay, so now the program is going to ask you. Is going to ask your age. So let's say we're going to leave a space, print, and we're going to ask you, or ask the user the age. What is your age? Or how old are you? Right? What is your age? How old are you? How old are you? And here we're going to ask the user to input his age. Write your, or input, let's use the same word, input your age, please. And here we're going to store this information in a variable called age. Okay? It's going to be a number, so we don't need to use this symbol here, the dollar symbol. We need just to write a variable for numbers. In this case, this is how you do it. Just write a word with any symbol after it. Input your age, please. Age. This is going to be the name of the variable, and we're going to store there a number. Okay? So let's print another, let's leave another place here, another empty space, and let's print. So you are, and here we're going to print the age. So you are years old. As you can see, when I wrote print, then the phrase, the text that I wanted to show, then I added this symbol and put the variable here. That means that right after this, we're going to show this variable. And right after this variable, we're going to show the next part of the sentence. Okay? So let's see. Hello, my name is Fernando. What is your name? Write your name. Let's write Juan. So your name is Juan. Nice to meet you. What is your age? How old are you? Input your age, please. So I'm going to write 24. So you're 24 years old. And let's write the last part of the program. So the program will say we are going to leave a space here, an empty space using print, and we're going to say print. Your name is. We are going to print name and dollar symbol. Your name is, and you are between within quotation marks, and you are, and we're going to print the age. And here we're going to say years old. Nice. And we're going to finish here. So let's see. This is supposed to be the last part, the last sentence that the computer is going to say. Let's see if it works. Hello, my name is Fernando. What is your name? Write your name. So your name is oh, I didn't write a name. Sorry. Let's try again. Hello, my name is Fernando. What is your name? Write your name. Juan. So your name is Juan. Nice to meet you. What is your age? How old are you? Input your age, please. 30 years old. So you are 30 years old. Your name is Juan. and you're 30 years old. Nice. Okay, so here you can see that the name, we need to leave a space here. Your name is, let's leave a space here, and you are, and let's leave a space here. Now it will work much better. Hello, what is your name? Write your name. Let's write Silvana. So your name is Silvana. Nice to meet you. What is your age? How old are you? I am 46. I don't know. So you're 46 years old. Your name is Silvana, and you're 46 years old. Nice. Okay. Very basic program to show you how to use CLS, print, input, and we learned a little bit about variables. Okay. And we use a variable name peso, name dollar symbol, and age. Okay. I will try to upload these. We're going to write tutorial 1. I will try to upload these to GitHub so you can check the code there, and you can study it if you want to. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you understood this. CLS clear the screen. Print is used to show text in the screen. Input is used to ask specific information to the user from the user, and the variables are like small boxes, small tags where we are going to store the information. In this case, we created the variable name and the dollar symbol. It means it's a string, it's a word, and we created the variable age. It means it's a number. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much, and we will continue. Okay, so before we finish, I want to make a very quick review of what we learned today, and I would like to make some notes here. So what we learned today we learned CLS, print, input, and we learned a little bit of variables. Let's see how we make variables. This is important to remember. We're going to make variables this way. For example, if I want to make a variable that is called name, I'm going to write name and the $sign. Okay, because what it means, the $sign means that we are going to store strings, letters, a word inside this small box that is a variable. Okay, so you have to remember that a variable is like a small box where we put a specific piece of information. In this case, we can say something within quotation marks. I can write, for example, Martin. This is a name in Spanish, Martin. Or let's say Martin, name. Or we can say, I don't know, Juan. This was the one we were using in the program. Or I can say my name, Fernando. Okay, so I can say name. Okay, this is the way we're going to create a variable that is called name, and we're going to store specific information in the variable. Okay, so if you want to create a variable that is a number, you can say things like age equals 31, or for example, phone number is going to be equals to, and you write the phone number there. Okay, so this is the way you can you do this? Phone number? No, it's not possible. What you can do is use capital letters to divide. You can say things like phone number. This is correct. Okay, or you can make a another variable, for example, full name, $sign. You can say something like it is, I don't know, I'm just inventing a huge name in Spanish. This is what you can do. This is the way you write, you create variables. Usually we create the variables at the beginning of the program if we are planning to use them in the rest of the program. So remember, $sign for names, for words, for strings, and you don't put any sign, any symbol for numbers, okay, for values. So this is what I wanted to say for variables. And remember, for print, you have to write a text. Oops, sorry about it. So let's change the color here. Write a text within quotation marks. Okay, so write a text within quotation marks. Remember, if you don't use the quotation marks, you will have an error in your program, and it won't work. Okay, so it's important. Remember, it was all. In the next lessons, in the next tutorials, we're going to try to learn if, then, and some other commands for QBasic. Thank you very much, and see you next time.